If you struggle to solo over chord changes on the guitar, this lesson is for you. Or if you feel like you can sometimes make it through changes, but you're not really sure why, this lesson is also for you. The majority of guitar players are stuck in this pentatonic box. And while that box can be effective, it's actually holding you back from being creative and melodic because most guitar players don't know the scale I'm about to show you today. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Alec Lehrman. I am a Grammy-nominated guitar player. I've played with A-list artists from Meghan Trainor to the Chainsmokers, Aloe Blacc, Kanye West, Anderson Paak, and I've taught thousands of students the principles I'm going to teach you here today. So I don't just talk about this stuff, I live it. This video today is sponsored by my Pentatonic Mastery course. If you want to learn how to play up and down the neck limitlessly and feel like you can solo in any key, check out the course in the description. Today we're going to be in the key of C major. So if you're in the key of C major, most folks know C major as this pentatonic box. They find the root on the low E string, which is on the 8th fret, and they play this pentatonic box. It's also equivalent to A minor for folks that are not familiar with major. Now, if you just know that scale, you're actually limiting yourself and you're holding yourself back from progress. So what we're gonna do, the second scale you need to know besides that scale is this scale, which is up here. It's gonna look and sound like this. First, I'm gonna show you a pentatonic scale, then I'm gonna show you the major scale. This is a C major pentatonic. We can go down. And now let's play a major scale. Now, we're going to listen to a track, we're going to figure out the chords, and figure out how to play through the chord changes melodically and beautifully, rather than just playing this pentatonic scale. Okay? So let's listen first, okay? The chords are F, C, A minor, G. F, C, A minor, G, okay? So let's play F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G. Now the beauty of this is you can play all those shapes up 12 frets, which looks and sounds like this. So I'm gonna strum it once. Okay? Now when you want to solo over the chord changes, what you want to do is arpeggiate each of those chords, and then after you arpeggiate, you want to embellish with the major scale. So let's first arpeggiate, okay? So it looks like this. A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor. Now, let's add this major scale and start incorporating not only the arpeggios, but that major scale into your soloing. So it sounds like. So what you're noticing is that the distance between each chords is actually not that much. So what I mean by that is when you change from F to C, notice that this note stays the same. So if you want to feel like you're making the chord changes sound level, this is called the pedal tone. So you can just hold this note. Notice it's also in A minor, but it's not in G. So you can just hold this C note. Something like that. But if you really want to outline the chord changes, you find the differences between all the chords, and you can highlight not only the differences, but the similarities. So this is the similarity, the C note, and then you can highlight the changes between all the chords. Now let's work on some melodies in the lower register. On the D string, which will look and sound like this. Notice I'm just highlighting the differences and similarities between the two chords. So this is in F, that's in C, this is in A minor, and that's in G. You can do something like that, or like that. And if you really want to take your playing to the next level, you want to incorporate bends, pull-offs, hammer-ons, and slides. So what does that mean? You can bend into each note, which looks and sounds like this. You can slide. You can do hammer-ons. You can do pull-offs. And you can do all of them combined. Now, we're going to try to do all of them combined right here. Now that you understand this crucial lesson, you're going to want to check out this lesson on how you can even take this concept of playing over chord changes even further.